everybody, and welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Cherish, and this is Coco. Coco is listening to our story today. She's never far from my side. We were just outside taking in, even though it was kind of cold and kind of rainy, we took in the beauty of nature today. And so that's why I chose to read Sometimes Rain. Sometimes Rain is a good book to remind us that to look at things from a different perspective. So, here we go. Sometimes Rain by Meg Fleming, illustrated by Diana Suduka. I love these illustrations. They're so beautiful. So here we go. Sometimes drizzle, drip, drip, drain. Sometimes picnic, sometimes rain. Sometimes dropping, steady chill. Sometimes frosting every hill. Sometimes sledding, frozen toes. Sometimes carrot, sometimes nose. Sometimes twinkle, winter white, crystal garden, silver night. Sometimes boring, wonder, wait. Sometimes early, sometimes late. The seasons, right? Sometimes they come early, sometimes they come late. Sometimes, like this last winter, they don't feel like they've come at all. Sometimes clear, bright, and glowing. So much melt, the mud is growing. Sometimes flying, magic swing, blooming treehouse, happy spring. Sometimes dreaming, open skies. Sometimes chasing butterflies. Sometimes blazing secret trails. Sometimes finding frogs and snails. Sometimes splashing yellow sun. Sometimes soaking summer fun. Do you like to go to the beach? Sometimes changing vibrant trees. Sometimes zipping out the breeze. Sometimes stomping leafy crunch. Sometimes eating apple lunch. Sometimes piles 10 feet tall. Sometimes jumping into fall. Sometimes wandering far or near, always knowing someone here. Always ready, stay or roam. Always welcome. Always home. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that you can go out in nature and see some of the wondrous things nature has to offer. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for coming to Storytime.